Hey everyone! Today I'll be filming y'all a tutorial of my everyday natural look. When I try to go out and I don't know what to put for an eyeshadow when I'm dressing up, I have those days I'm like, I don't know what to put, like what shades. And recently there was this one day I was in a hurry, I'm like, I'm gonna just do whatever. And that day was awesome because it turned out really pretty. And when I went to work, everyone was like complimenting on my eyes. I was like, really? Is it really that? Does it really look good? Are you serious? And they're like, yes, that color is awesome. So it's like kind of like a orangey coral shade. So yeah, if y'all want to achieve the look that I'm about to show y'all, I'll insert here, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. It's kind of dirty, but whatever. Okay, so I've already have my concealer on. I just need a bake under my eyes. That's what I do before I put eyeshadow, so if anything falls out, it's okay. It's on top of some setting powder. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Airspun and the shade Translucent. Okay, now, oh yeah, if I haven't shown y'all, it's this one. It has a lot for, I think it was like $6 or something. That's really a great price. So I'm gonna be using my Morphe vegan brush. I don't know, it don't have a number. It's this. As you can tell, I've been using it a lot. I haven't cleaned it. So, okay, so let me remember, what color did I use? It was this. Oh, and that. Okay, I have to remember what color were they. Was it this palette? Oh. So actually I was wrong. It was the Morphe 350 palette. So yeah. It's gonna be this color and this one and this one. So I'm gonna be using this one first. We're gonna be blending all of that. Okay. Now do the other eye. Okay, so now we're going with another brush. It's this smaller one. Again, doesn't have any numbers. And that's going to be this bright orange color. And this is going to be just underneath that first shade. Only the outer part. Okay, I'm gonna go back with that first brush, and I'm gonna be blending that all together. I might add a little bit more of that second shade. Okay, now I'm gonna go in this small brush with my concealer, and I'm gonna carve out this part right here. Right here. Okay, now the other side. I'll let it dry for a few seconds. Okay. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit thicker. We use this brush. I'm gonna use a little thicker brush to pat in the sparkle color. Just patting it to see if they're a bit dry. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this orangey shimmer. And just pat it all over. I like to put this, whatever shadow that are glitter or sparkly, I like to put it the first 2 layers like this, and then I go back in with some spray. I have this Tarte spray, and it brings out the sparkleness much brighter. Like, it looks way better. You'll see the difference. Okay, now it's this Tarte Rainforest Off the Sea Boosting Mist. I'm almost running out, so just spray that, and we'll go back in with the sparkles, that sparkly shade, and you'll see the difference. Oh, do you see that? Girl, it has a total difference when you add that mist. I used to have a MAC Fix Plus, but then I ran out. You see that? Compared to this eye. We're gonna even this out now. Uh-oh. Okay. Now that's done. We're gonna sweep off that setting powder. I'm gonna use a big fluffy brush. Again, doesn't have any numbers. Okay. Now, I like to go back with concealer and just fix that edge part. You see the difference? Okay, now we're just gonna blend that out. I would put eyeliner, but that just takes much more time. I don't, on my days that I just want to go look natural every day, I don't put no mascara, no eyelashes. I don't curl them. It's just too much, honestly. And now I'm going with that small little brush, and I'm gonna use my where did I put it? Oh, I'm gonna be using my Anastasia's Amrezy highlight and just add a little bit pizzazz in my corner of my eyes. And now I'm going back in with that big brush and just add whatever is left. I'm just gonna add that color on the bottom of my eye. Just a little. Bring some of that color, and then to make my eyes look bigger and noticeable, I'm gonna use this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk, and just put this on the inner of my eye, my waterline I should say. I'm just gonna put this in my waterline. Tickles. Okay, do y'all see that? It just, and imagine if I had eyeliner, but I don't do that recently. And then I put some mascara on the bottom sometimes, but right now, I'm not feeling it. Most days I don't. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go do the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be back and show y'all the rest of my look. Well, I'm back. So this is the final look, and yeah, this is what I always do when I have to go somewhere, look all natural, you know, your everyday natural look. And yeah, if y'all are wondering what lip shade I'm wearing, I'm using that $8 Lipstories Sephora lipstick. It's in the shade Brunch Date. It says number 1. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and please hit that like button and subscribe button. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.